Hello, this is Peter from Ultimate Marketing Strategies. This is a supplementary video to the Yahoo Site Explorer alternatives video I've made. And the reason for that is there's a particular site which I had come across before but hadn't really considered as a list of alternatives to Yahoo Site Explorer. And I revisited it recently and realized that it is actually a very useful site, and that with the free account that you can get on it, you can get a lot of very useful information, and particularly information you can't get on some of the other sites. So I'm talking about Ahrefs. Now, with a free account that gives you up to 20 queries a day, if you don't have a free account, you're limited to 5 queries, and some of the information you can't get is not available to you. They also have subscription plans there to get access to the full set of data. So using our example we've used in the other video, I'll have a look at travis.com, and the first thing you'll see is a very useful summary here. Particularly this graph is very useful because it will show you new links and also backlinks that have been removed, so typically from sites that are dead or pages have gone or whatever. So that's a very easy way to get an idea of any backlinking campaigns to see how successful it is. And over here we get a useful breakdown of the backlinks, so text, images, no follow, redirects, etc., etc. One thing I should point out is by default Ahrefs will search for any subdomains under your main domain. If you wanted to look at just the main domain, you just choose one of those two options there. If we come down here, we'll see summary of the pages. They also have a rating system very similar to what SEO Moz and Majestic SEO use, and then the number of links to that site and the page and all the other bits and pieces. So here we've got these various tabs here that gives us some other details. This one here is the backlinks. So this is the top backlinks to the particular pages. Here we can see the top anchor text being used. Now, for some reason, I'm not sure why it shows up that as being the anchor text, but here you can see the other anchor text that's being used. And typically, because I'm using the free version, there'll be a whole lot of stuff I can't see further on down the list. Referring domains, so these are the top domains that are linking back to travis.com. You can see the totals there and the breakdown of no follow, follow links, and all the other bits and pieces. Referring subnets is not particularly that interesting. It's just gives you an idea of IP diversity. Okay, just going back to backlinks, one thing that's quite useful is this option here, position report, which you can also get through this SERPs analysis. So say we want to check the position of this page in the search engine. So if we click on that, and here we can see for Google, it will extract all the top ranking keywords for that particular site and then the position they are in Google. So here we can see position 1 in Google, and with this particular keyword, SEO free software, we can see that it's gone up from number 2 to number 1. I think it's within the last week or something. And there's a whole bunch of other stats there that's quite useful. And again, being the free version, you can't see the results for all the particular keywords. And it has the same thing for Bing and Yahoo. As you can see there, that's not ranking quite as well in Bing and Yahoo, but that I'm not aware of. Certainly SEO Majestic and Open Site Explorer doesn't give you this sort of information, so this is incredibly useful if you're looking at, particularly if you're looking at your competition and seeing what keywords they're ranking for, and on how well they've been doing over time. And over here you can have a look at the various. So if you want to check the British rankings, Australian, German, etc. Now there's a whole lot of other stuff on there too, which I'm not going to go through, but just to say that, you know, register for a free account. Here you can see that I've used up 9 of my 20 today, and in most cases that's more than enough for, you know, casual browsing, and even though you can't get access to all the information, all the important information is fully available. So that's definitely a very useful one to consider when you're looking at backlinks as well. Okay, well, I hope you found that video useful, and you can give Ahrefs a try out. Thank you.